Let's start with Chappers's. Start there. Let's see what's all out here. Nice little 38 Chevy Coupe. I don't know what the heck that yellow thing is.
Don't believe anything you say.
Hey, how you doing, buddy? Got a little cooker today.
I remember this show last year, how hot it was.
Yeah, I think I missed it last year, but I figured, well,
at least they have the cars spread apart. That's great.
Yeah.
Stacked upon each other. So.
yeah, at least we got a nice little breeze going.
Yeah.
That helps.
Enjoy, man.
All right. Yep. Just got here, baby. Nice scooter. And there's Shady Character. How you doing, buddy? Good to see you.
Likewise, I got that CUDA badge for you now.
Right on.
Boom, she's badged up.
Yeah. Very cool. Yeah, I just got here, so I gotta see what's out here. Got my beauty sleep though. Bunch of Mustangs. There's the OCMCs here, maybe. What's that?
Didn't you get married on like KZOK or something like that?
No, I got married on Mark and Brian.
Mark and Brian, that's
Yeah.
right. I knew it was something like
Yeah,
that.
been 95 on air on April 1st.
That's why I was laughing when I heard you on the radio
Yeah.
that morning on the 73.
Oh yeah. I say I've been trying to get on that trivia thing lately. I got it 3 days in a row.
Is that right?
I got on with Eric, and I go, this is Mitch. And I go, this is Embo.
Yeah.
3 days in a row, and I got it all wrong every each day, but I keep trying. I use 2 phones too, so it's like, it works. A whole bunch of Mustangs out here. There's some neat bikes over there. I guess we'll see those.
We almost got it. We were out in Claypoint, and one of the really tight spots.
Who day on and stay on seek the best and most qualified people to serve in the Marine Corps. They build our future. And because of that, the Marine Corps itself is able to build better civilians to return back to the world.
What's up,
so
George?
thank you to
How
Mike
you doing?
Nolan and your team.
How you doing, buddy?
Good, how are you?
Go Navy.
And the Navy.
We're good.
I love the Navy.
I carried 1,000 Marines on board my ship. Well armed everywhere we went.
Make sure you stop by and say hi
All right. Next, I want to say thank you to all the participants.
Where?
My family and I have been walking around and have
Oh, right
to
there
just
under the
make
blue.
a note for my
Okay,
son and my
gotcha.
daughter when they are just talking about the dedication and the time and the passion that it takes to do what all the participants here. You look at some of these vehicles and you can absolutely tell
Oh, there she-
what
oh.
energy and work that they put into every single one of these vehicles. And it shows. It's a real life representation of you as a person.
Oh, Linda. Linda's here.
But beyond that, it costs
Oh, there's that pretty lady. Hey, Ron. How you doing, buddy? How you doing? Gotta see these sharp dressed guys over here. Let's see, I was on the USS Ogden.
Which one?
USS Ogden, LPD 5.
Okay.
1,000 Marines on board.
Yeah,
Or as affectionately as good as know them as jarheads.
that's good. How do you accept that?
But I say 40 years ago right now, I was getting ready to go on my first Westpac.
That's awesome.
And that was fun. Picked up a bunch of, got some Marines from San Clemente, then we got some from Camp Pendleton, and we picked up most of them in Hawaii.
Yeah.
And went on a nice little 6-month cruise and got paid $98 a week. Thank you guys for your service, buddy. Respect the Marines.
Everybody also don't forget to get hydrated.
There's Hardwood. There's all these South County boys.
Hey,
You don't have a card either?
Don't.
We'll check that out.
He doesn't have any money either.
All right, guys. Take it away.
No, very
Just a little- Yeah, same here. Very little. Some more South County boys over here. How y'all doing?
Hey, how you doing?
Handsome as ever.
Good for you.
More delusion than the last time you saw me. There's that beautiful 55 Converti right there. Nice, nice. Take the Chevy pickup. Is this George here? I do believe this is George Jewell. Yep, there's Georgie.
And then he retired like just after Heather and I got married. We got married. Thank you.
Those old cranks.
Yeah.
How you doing, buddy?
I'm doing good. I've seen you around.
Here and there. I got here a little late because I needed some beauty sleep.
Okay.
Didn't work.
Just my hair. Her daughter was into that also. Smile.
Hey,
Gilly. Gilly.
there's a handsome man right there.
Hey.
How you doing, pal?
I'm doing great. How you doing?
Handsome as ever. More delusion than the last time you saw me.
No, we didn't look
He's got a 6-cylinder in this thing. It's really sweet. So proud to say I've never met any of you. Nothing personal. Now this guy will catch you in a hurry. Look at this little neat one. That is pretty. Cool. All right. This neat old sheriff's car here. Now, so I wouldn't mind being in the backseat of this one. That would be a cool cruise. Whoops, excuse me.
Oh no, they let anybody in here. Hey, buddy.
How you doing, Scott?
Good, Embo.
Well, that's a little cooker out here today.
Oh, no kidding. It's not even new.
Yes, I went to Donut Darren's yesterday, and my bunch of my friends from school took a bike ride from Huntington down to Newport, down to the class of 47. So I was at the beach pretty much all day.
Oh,
So it's like as soon as you get past like the 22, you're cooking.
oh, I know.
Now, this is nice. We got a nice little breeze going.
Well, yeah, at least.
Down the paparazzi. You got it.
He's a doggy guy.
Oh, big time.
You see doggies down here? He's got that camera in there.
Let's see if I can find me. I think I brought.
He tapes all the shows everywhere. He goes all over the place.
Yeah, this is going to dig the.
You're on YouTube, right?
Yeah, YouTube. Paparazzi Plaza.
Paparazzi, yeah.
Paparazzi. Dogs and hot rods, man. Everything's better with dogs.
How's it going? How you feeling?
Good. Say my oncologist keeps telling me I'm normal. Psychiatrist has a weight of an opinion, of course.
See you, buddy.
But I'm still above ground and vertical. Oh, it is Carson.
So in 74, the guy who won, the guy, hey, what's up? How you doing?
Carson.
How are you, man?
Handsome as everybody.
No, you, not me.
Yeah, I'm delusional too, but
74.
there's the pretty lady right there. Ready? Go fast, go. You probably move faster than I do. Little puppy. Hey, baby. And the paparazzi.
That's the lady over here.
Linda, I always love hearing you talk. I love that Texas drawl. Ooh, even better. I had a girlfriend that lived in Lawrenceville and Flowery Blossom. Woo, baby. Awesome Bill from Dawsonville. Oh, shoot. Oh, I gotta get one of those. I always gave the Marines a place to sleep and a good ride anywhere they wanted to go.
Well, that's good. Where did you do that?
I was LPD 5, USS Ogden. 40 years ago right now, I was getting ready to go on my first Westpac. What's that?
Well, what unit?
Oh, I was on the ABF. I was at ABF 3, third class.
Navy guy.
But I was a
Yeah,
Navy
I was
guy.
Navy pilot.
Oh, right on. Yeah, I used to fuel up the helicopters on the USS Ogden. At one point, we had Harriers on board, which was fun. You're doing hot fuel and those things, and you stand in the catwalk. Woo, boy! This is not heat here. Then you stand underneath the big 50 CH-53, the tail rotor's right there.
Yeah.
I was like, okay, don't come off, don't come off. Don't fall apart on me now.
Thanks, sure, sir.
Well, thank you guys. I say, oh, flight decks, I say, oh yeah. I was aboard my ship for the 15,000, 16,000, and 17,000 safe landing. I don't think they ever had any accidents. They finally scuttled the thing in '96. It was just rusty as heck. And I went through dry dock in '83, and that was just, I needle gun through a 1-inch plate. It's like, this thing's about done. But it did its service. I think it was commissioned in '65, so it was a Vietnam era. Got a lot of Marines on board. Well, we have the stuff in every nook and cranny on board, too. Second floor high. Woo! Baby. Well, right on, gentlemen. They gotta appreciate those guys. Oh no. Let's see. I know too many people here, so I always got biased opinions. I don't want to pick one of them. The other one. Why did you pick me? Come on. Well, to keep running around, gentlemen. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you, buddy. Appreciate that. Oh shoot, we were talking. There's my baby. Hey, sweetheart. I know, precious. You're gonna be famous. Well, of course. They got the famous mama. The famous mama, huh? Yeah, it's hot out here today.
Okay, that's actually an original. My CDs are up here if you'd like to purchase them. Nah, that wasn't Michael McDonald, that was me.
We're gonna see if YouTube flags me on your song.
Hey, hey.
See if YouTube flags me on your song for copyright infringement.
Hey, hey, hey.
Fond memories of those babies. Oh, there's a cool ride right there.